Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at Bloom, which is a new large-scale language model recently released by the Big Science Initiative. What makes Bloom interesting is two things. First of all, it is the largest open-source language model at 176 billion parameters for the largest checkpoint. What this means is that this model is available for download. So if you have 8 A100 GPUs with 80 gigabytes each of RAM each, you can download this model from the Hugging Face hub and test it out. So if you have a few GPUs lying around, give it a shot. The second thing that makes Bloom interesting is that it's a multilingual model, and meaning that it has been trained on 59 languages, including 46 natural languages and 13 programming languages. And you can see the breakdown in this plot over here. So as you can see, English is the largest part at 30%, but you have a lot of other languages, including Chinese, French, and code takes about 10% of the data that the model has seen. So Bloom was a massive engineering effort involving over 1,000 participants, researchers from all across the world. So this is a really amazing collaboration, which required for sure a lot of coordination among those researchers and research groups involved. So it's really interesting that they were able to pull this off. They were able to find resources to do this. They used a massive supercomputer in France, which contained, I think, 300 of these A100 GPUs, which was used for training. And what's really cool is that everything around the model, the development, the engineering, and the training is available online. So you can actually really follow what they did precisely. The training scripts are also available. And what's interesting also is that they actually released the model as it is without any research paper doing evaluation and detailed analysis of what this model can do. But they kind of released it to the community, and they expect you guys to download it and to analyze and to figure out what it can do. And as I said, it's available on the Hugging Face Model Hub. And also it's even available to test over there, so you can play around with it. However, my tests weren't successful. It always said that the model is overloaded and that you have to wait a bit. So, but maybe you're gonna have more luck than me, so you can give it a shot. And they're also gonna provide, I think through Hugging Face, it will be available to use it as an API as well, similar to GPT-3 and variants. And in overall, this seems to be an interesting initiative, and they do plan to release some more models and to do some more analysis of what this model can do in the future. So make sure to follow those guys from the Big Science Initiative. And that is what I wanted to cover for this video. Or maybe also one thing is that the model comes with an interesting license, which is made to ensure that it will be used like in a good way to impact society in a positive way. You can check it out if you're interested. But basically you have to agree to this special license if you intend to use Bloom. However, Bloom is available completely to be used either for research or for commercial applications. So feel free to do so as long as you meet the requirements of the license. But that is all that I wanted to cover for today. Hope this was useful. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Cheers.